Travel and eat with me in the Netherlands. Let's start off in The Hague, where I spent most of the time. We got brunch at Plenty, where they serve breakfast, lunch, coffee, and sweets. We got the avocado sandwich and the sandwich tempeh, both of which were delicious. And it just so happened to be King's Day. So after enjoying some of the festivities, we retreated to the beach for some quiet and vegan bitterballen. A Dutch classic that, as far as I can tell, is basically deep-fried meat stew. The MC Escher Museum is in The Hague, by the way. Next was dinner at Vegan Glory, which had a fresh and botanical feel. We got our Orange King's Day drinks and settled into a meatloaf, and potato flatbread. Everything was lovely, although a bit expensive for my tastes. It had also gotten dark by the time we were there, so sorry, I know the lighting here is not the best. The next day we ventured outside the city to go to Pluk, a farm and sanctuary outside The Hague. The farm was gorgeous. It was breathtaking, and we enjoyed a raspberry rhubarb tart along with some tofu sausage rolls. Another great quick option comes to you from the convenience store. This is Albert Heijn's, where I got a vegan bacon and egg wrap. To my surprise, it was bacon with egg salad, not a scrambled egg, but it was delicious and only €4. We went out of town to see the tulips, and we also got some loaded vegan fries with peanut sauce. But the footage I got was so orange, I just could not subject you to it. And yes, I got Domino's pizza, because it's not fair that other people get vegan Domino's, but in the US we don't. They have a vegan chicken harissa pizza, which I got. Turns out, Domino's is still only okay. For my last day in the Netherlands, we headed to Amsterdam. We tried to go to a place called Flower Burger, but one location seemed not to exist anymore, and the second wasn't serving food. So we settled for some fries on the canal, and with vegan mayo and curry ketchup, I was pretty darn pleased. For dinner, we went to Robin Food, where they serve a 3-course meal cooked by volunteers in an effort to reduce food waste and inspire others to do plant-based cooking at home. I cannot tell you how much I loved this. We started with a leek soup, and next a pasta with some vegan meatballs, and then finally a banana cake with vegan ice cream and whipped cream. All that for €14. The next morning I had coffee on the beach and took no video of it, but then took off to go back home. And please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Oh, and request that vegan plain meal ahead of time.